Hello and welcome to this video on the principles of PokaYoke. This best practice video explains the meaning and principles of PokaYoke, and how to make the best use of this tool in practice. Let's start with the definition first. PokaYoke is a Japanese term that means mistake proofing. It's a quality control technique that was developed by Japanese engineer Shigeo Shingo in the 1960s. The goal of PokaYoke is to prevent mistakes from happening in the first place, rather than detecting and correcting them after they've occurred. The first principle of PokaYoke is to design for manufacturing. This means designing products and processes with a focus on preventing errors from occurring during the manufacturing process. For example, a car manufacturer might design a part to be asymmetrical to prevent it from being installed the wrong way. The second principle of PokaYoke is to simplify the process. This means simplifying the manufacturing process as much as possible to minimize the potential for errors. For example, a software company might automate certain tasks to eliminate the need for manual input. The third principle of PokaYoke is to use visual cues. This means using visual aids to help operators identify and prevent errors. For example, a packaging company might use color-coded labels to differentiate between different types of products. The fourth principle of PokaYoke is to use sensors and alarms. This means using technology to detect errors and alert operators before they occur. For example, a manufacturing plant might use sensors to detect when a machine is about to malfunction and alert the operator to take action. The fifth principle of PokaYoke is to standardize processes. This means establishing standard operating procedures that everyone follows to minimize errors. For example, a food production company might have a standard procedure for cleaning equipment to prevent cross-contamination. Benefits in conclusion: the benefits of introducing PokaYoke among others are reduced waste and training time, improves safety, improves productivity, and promotes a culture of continuous improvement. Thank you for watching. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Till next time.